Hello friends, you're watching English with D, the channel with no jargon, only useful information. To continue our 8 bands topic-wise vocabulary series, we have chosen crime and punishment as a next topic. So in this lesson, you will learn excellent words and phrases related to the topic crime and punishment. But before we begin, if you are a new viewer, then subscribe to the channel and like and share this video as much as possible. So let's get started. The first word of the day is perpetrator. It simply means the person who has committed a crime. Another good synonyms for a criminal are transgressor and culprit. The example says that government has made its intentions clear to find and punish the perpetrators of 1,000 crore fraud on coal scam. The next word is petty crime. Petty crimes are small crimes which are not very serious in nature and do not do big harm or damage to anybody. In the example, it is said that if criminals are held responsible for their petty crimes, then it would discourage them to commit any serious crime in future. The next phrase is white collar crime. It is a crime which is committed in business world or corporations. For example, money fraud. According to the example, heavy financial penalty and jail time would act as a strong deterrent against white-collar crime. Abduction. Abduction is a synonym for kidnapping, so instead of kidnapping, always use the word abduction. The example says that abduction of health minister's son has captured the imagination of entire media and public. The next word is arson. Arson is the act of burning property. In the example, it is mentioned that in the recent riots in Delhi, the perpetrators of arson have been identified and captured by police. Assault. Assault is a violent physical attack on someone. The example says that the reporter investigating the murder of an RTI activist was yesterday assaulted by some unidentified men. Manslaughter. It means an act of killing a person but accidentally without the intent to do so. It is different from murder. In the example, it is said that the cousin of popular actor Ishan has been charged of manslaughter and sent to prison for 10 years. The next word is felony. Felony means a serious crime such as murder or burglary. The example says that the government is planning to declare tax fraud as felony for which the fraudster can be sent to prison. The next word is prosecutor. Prosecutor is the lawyer who represents the side that tries to prove the other side or person guilty. In the example, the testimony of public prosecutor was proved to be false, hence he decided to drop all charges against the defendant. Capital punishment. Capital punishment is another term for death penalty. We all know that all the convicts in the Nirbhaya rape case were given capital punishment. Crime wave. This phrase means a sudden increase in the amount of crime in an area. In the example, it is said that in the late 90s, when the underworld had a stronghold over Mumbai, the city was hit by a crime wave. The last word of the day is trafficking. Trafficking means moving objects or people illegally, such as drug trafficking, or people trafficking. The common word used for such activities is smuggling. The example explains that since Punjab has a long border with Pakistan, drugs trafficking is a major problem in the state. So guys, these were some excellent words and phrases on the topic crime and punishment, which should be part of your common vocabulary. We will be back with new lesson on a new topic. Till then, watch all our previous lessons and improve your overall vocabulary and communication skills. Thanks for watching.